The next month is coming for the festival,
Yeah.
for the Hindu festival like Diwali.
Uh-huh.
So lots of people they are coming in this market.
What is it, the festival?
Festival for the Hindu like Diwali.
Diwali's coming?
Diwali is coming for the 18th of October.
That's right, because right now was
Durga Puja.
Durga Puja
Yes.
in Kolkata. That was really getting ready for that.
So in this place,
Yeah.
here is starting for the spice market.
Okay.
One of the largest spice market in Asia. Not India, for Asia.
That's
You know how many
crazy.
shops over there?
How many?
Any idea?
I would say, let me see. So it's this whole block?
All the inside.
Inside.
Also everywhere.
There's probably like 500, huh?
Ah no. More than 2,000 shops.
Oh my god.
only for
That's
the
amazing.
only for the spices.
Unbelievable.
So we will going for the walking inside over there,
Okay.
and I'll
Let's
have
do
to show you every shops. Very decoration, the lighting,
Okay.
and also mostly the local, like
Yeah.
Indian, they love to the spices, and some of the foreigner like you love
Yeah.
the spices in Indian, and the tea. So there is no difference for the local and the tourist.
Uh-huh.
Also every shop they mention for the prices.
Yeah.
Every shops over there. I'd like to show you everyone.
Everyone has the price.
If you are alone,
Yeah.
there is no change.
Yeah, it's the same price.
Calling for the prayer.
Yeah.
The third prayer time.
Uh-huh.
Everywhere.
It's crazy. How do you know?
Call your wife. What would you like?
Yeah, exactly. But it's like there's so much. Where do you shop? You know, everybody has everything.
Like dates.
Yeah, those are good, man. I like dates.
And you can see the buildings. More than 100, 200 years old building.
That's not, yeah, that has not changed. They have not changed the building.
You are standing in the main market of the wholesale market in Asia.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Asia's biggest market for the spices.
Amazing.
Have a look. People are very busy.
Yeah.
The workers like this, they are distributing the different part of
Pepper
India.
here, huh?
Yes, it's starting the smell also. Like it's
It's making me sneeze.
yes. You're coming for a snitching?
Everybody's coughing.
Like this.
Dang.
Black pepper, cardamom, clove,
Unbelievable.
dry ginger. Sorry. Look for this building. This
Jeez.
is the building built by the British Empire, 1857 century, because they're starting for the East India Company. You know the East India Company.
Yeah.
On that time, they're distributing the spices in our country, lots of the part. So now this time they are keeping the storage spices. You can see the packets over there.
Yeah, they're right there in the balcony.
Yes. And also the people, the workers, they're also living in this building.
Wow.
Every day in the morning, they're coming and they're starting the work.
But it's not the East India Company anymore.
And now this time is not.
Yeah.
But this is the building. You can
That's
see
amazing.
the colonial design,
Yeah,
the British colonial design building on that time.
totally.
Yes. The whole the round shape building.
Oh, we're in the middle of it, huh?
Yes, all the middle, the round shape, every like this.
Yeah.
You can see over there also like that.
Uh huh. That's pretty cool.
वो पार्ट देख लेंगे शीशे को सस्ती पड़ेगी
Oh, come on, dude.
किराया कह रही हूँ
वो जाऊँ अभी ना 1-2 महीने हुआ ना जहाँ मेरा
हो गया मेरे
Since 1916, more than 100 years of this place. He's a Lalaji.
Cool.
Lalaji